right, so let's get this started. So, you know I dropped off Black Eagle, my BMW M2, at the dealership. They said they gotta put some spark plugs on it. So in the meantime, they gave me this beautiful loaner right here, which is the 2020 BMW 330i. And I figured, since I have the car, why not do a review? So let's get to it. This is the review of the 2020 BMW 330i. And I will tell you, this thing is a beauty. I had a 2014 335i maybe a few years ago, and I love that car. But this one right here, man, it's a hell of an upgrade. So let's get into this review. All right, so let's start with the rims. Like, they got some 18-inch rims on here. I don't know what model they are, but I'll upload that info. I'll just put it in the video. But look like their little sport line. They got some 18-inch Pirellis on here, which is pretty cool, because, you know, I noticed they've been switching over to Pirellis lately at this particular dealership, because I had a X4 maybe a few months ago as a loaner car, and they put some Pirellis on that one too, which I thought was very surprising. And it wasn't even a sport line, it was just a luxury BMW, but that's pretty cool. For the back, they have 18s as well. Look like it's maybe like a staggered fitment though, because these are 225 45 R18 Pirellis. And then in the front here, they got 225. Oh no, it's not staggered, it's the same size. Cool. So yeah, it's the same on this one. I guess I'm just used to seeing it staggered on my BMW M2. But this color right here is mineral white. Yeah, mineral white. Very beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful color. As you see, they got the BMW LED lights right here. Very nice lights. Oh yeah, one thing. Shout out to BMW North Scottsdale for giving me this loaner car. I'm just gonna do a quick review on it, and but shouts out to them. They always hook me up with like the latest and greatest whenever I take my car in for maintenance, or whenever I have any issues with my M2, which I really don't have any issues with my M2. But yeah, they always hook me up with the latest and greatest. So let's get back to the review. So yeah, they have the new kidney grille on here, as you can see. It's pretty cool, but I must say I like the old kidney grille better. But you know, sometimes things improve, they make changes. That's the camera, front facing camera. You see you got your parking sensors right here. They got a pretty good amount around here. Looks like it's a 360 around the entire car. This car has pretty much all the bells and whistles. As you see, you got your lane assistance right here. That's what that triangle's for. So if anybody get close to you on that side, or anybody's to your left, it's as well as on the right as well. You'll know someone's getting too close. This car has the new key system right here. This is the new key fob, but with this one, with my car, I have the key in my pocket and I have to put my hand on the door to open the car. With this one, as soon as you get close to the car, the door will unlock for you automatically, which I thought was pretty cool. This one also has the moonroof. That's not standard, that's an upgrade, but I think usually it comes with the technology package usually. But that's one thing I wish my M2 had. But my next car, I plan on it being a convertible, and if you've been watching my channel, you know what my next car is going to be. I'm working on it right now, so you already know. But anyway, this is the back view of it. It has the dual pipes right here, which is pretty cool. These lights are dope. These are the new tail lights right here. And like I said, shouts out to BMW North Scottsdale. Great dealership. That's where I got my M2 from. But anyway, back to the video. This car has a pretty nice stance for it to be a 330i. And let me tell you, driving wise, pretty good drive. You know, I drive all my cars in sport mode, so you know how I get down. And it has some pickup to it, surprisingly. I'll put the horsepower numbers in the video. I don't know off the top of my head, but I'll just plug it in on the screen somewhere. But here's a side view of it. As you can see, I'm out here in Arizona. We have beautiful skies, by the way. If you ever been to Arizona, you should know that. But if you haven't, you should check us out. You should come out here and do a travel vacation or something. Just check it out. But our skies are always beautiful. Anyway, here's a side profile of the car. And let's do some of the interior shots here. All right, so here's the interior. As you can see, very nice seats. I mean, these seats, and they're comfortable too. You got your extended leg bar right here, which is pretty cool. I love using that because I'm 6 feet tall, so that comes in handy, especially when I'm doing road trips. These seats are awesome, awesome, awesome. They gotta do a little bit of vacuuming there. I didn't do that. That was there from the previous person driving. They got a M Sport steering wheel up in here though. Upgrade. Maybe that's why I like the steering wheel so much, but I love the M steering wheels because they're thick. Love it. Here's the new infotainment center right here. Pretty dope. Close that message. You know, you got Sirius radio and all that good stuff. Here's the new gear shifter. You got your park button. That's one thing the M cars, mine doesn't have. Mine doesn't have a park button. You have to put it in neutral or pull up the brake shift, the brake gear. But you know, you got your features here. Your start engine. When I first got in the car, I was looking for the start engine up here because I'm so used to it. And I was like, man, where is this thing at? But it's actually they moved it down here. So now the start engine and stop engine is down there. You got your sport mode, you got your comfort, you got the eco modes, you got your parking brake. It's electric. It's no pull up no more, it's just electric. And then of course you got your navigation knob and stuff like that. This up here, excuse the Starbucks, had to get my morning Starbucks on. This right here is the charging pad for a wireless phone. So yeah, you put your wireless phone, you got the latest iPhone or anything like that, you can put up there and they do wireless charging. In here you got your USB ports. No wireless charging in here, but I guess you can charge your phone up with the USB port right here. And pretty good space in there, you know, pretty deep. All right, so let's go to the back seat and see if there's any room back there for me. Keep in mind, I'm 6 feet. Ooh, that's gonna be a tight squeeze for me. I don't know if I'll be able to do that one unless I move the seat up. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move this seat up for me personally. But I think if you're below 6 feet, you probably won't have that issue. But plus this seat is kind of pushed back kind of far too, huh? Let me see. Let me move this up some. Probably to the average height of people. Yeah, because it's pretty deep up here, you know. So you have a lot of leg room. So I'm not moving the chair up. It may seem like I'm moving it up far, but I'm really not, because the person that's sitting there has deep leg room. That chair just happened to be positioned far back. So let's see. Oh yeah, that looks better already. Let's see here. Oh yeah, plenty of leg room. Yeah, and as you can see up there, that person will have plenty of leg room as well. You know, this is what it looks like from the back seat. Like I said, you got your moon roof. This thing opened up pretty wide. Man, that's one thing I miss. I miss moon roofs. I love moon roofs. But here's what it looked like from the back. Great view of the cockpit. Great view. Here are the seats, back seats. You got your air controls down here, auto, on and off. This is for, I believe, your heated seats. So this one has heated seats in the back. If you guys can see, this one has heated seats in the back. You have your USB ports right here, so you can charge your phones and everything like that. And this is I don't think that's cigarette no more, because they don't do that anymore, really. Yeah, but I guess you can put one of those USB attachments in there and they'll charge it up, because that's what I have in my car. shouldn't be smoking anyway, you know. Smoking's not good for you. If you're watching this video, stop smoking. It's not good for you. Anyway, you got cup holders over here. You got your, you know, traditional door handle, whatever. Just the normal stuff. You got your lights and stuff, light controls. But yeah, pretty good leg room back here, you know. Like I said, I moved the seat up to like a normal position, and lots of leg room. Feels good back here too. Like if I was traveling, I think I'll be really fine back here for a long period of time, you know. So very, 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 very comfortable. Not bad at all. So yeah, somebody look like somebody left a sock in there. So yeah, here's another side view of the car. Like I said, this is the 2020 BMW 330i. And if you're looking to get one, check out BMW North Scottsdale. They have several on the lot. I think they're doing some deals right now. So give them a holler. They will appreciate it. Tell them your boy Ritual sent you. And we'll take it from there. But let's get back in this. Let's get back in the driver's position here. Let's close this door. And yeah, let's look at this screen here. So this screen here, it has like the map. You have your miles per hour, you know, your speedometer. You have your gas, how much gas is left on the car right here. This is the time. It also tells you what the current speed limit is for the area you're in. Over here is like your revs, you know, your RPM, shall I say. Of course, like I told you guys before, I have all my cars in sport mode. I mean, that's what you pay money for these cars for. They have the M Sport steering wheel. So this is an upgrade. Very well done. Feels real good in the hand. The screen is huge. I have to do research and I'll see how big the screen is. I want to say it's probably like 10 inches though. 10-inch screen. Maybe this one's like 12 because this thing is wide too. It may be 10 also, but they're pretty wide, but very clear, very detailed. Sound system sounds okay. I say okay because in my car I have the Harden Kardon sound system, the upgrade. I don't think this one has the upgrade, but it still sounds pretty good though. All right, let's cut that out because we don't want to get copyrighted. But as you can tell, it sounds pretty good. You got all your features here. Let's see here. Let's go media. Let's go home. You got your communication. You got your navigation here. I'm pretty sure this one has Apple CarPlay, but I'm not gonna hook it up to my car. I mean, to my phone because it's not my car, and I don't want my information on this car or whatever. But yeah, you have your contacts, point of interest, you know, your traditional stuff. Pretty much all the new cars have something similar to this, so not a big deal, but it's still great to have. I don't know if this has the volume feature or not. Let me see. Let's go back to the music for a second. Yeah, this one doesn't have it, so it's all gravy. But then you got your temperature gauges right here, of course, where you set them, high, low, whatever. You can cut them off, but that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is just a quick review of the 2020 BMW 330i. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I got to get back over to North Scottsdale maybe in an hour or two to pick up my car, my baby, my BMW M2, aka Black Eagle. That's my boy. But anyway, I'm gonna do some driving in this car because I already paid for the gas in it, so I'm gonna put some miles on it and I'm gonna have a good time and see how it drives. And also, I was curious about this car because I know that M3 version of this car is coming very soon, possibly in 2021. So I kind of wanted to get a feel for the interior, because I know the interior is not going to change too much. Maybe the seats, maybe it'd be like some more carbon fiber or whatnot. But I kind of want to get a feel for the car in general, the size and everything, because we may add that to the garage. I don't know. We'll see. But first we got to get Weiss her X4, because she really wants that X4. But with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for all your support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Really appreciate it. If you like these type of videos, this is my first real like big time car review. So if you really like these type of videos, let me know in the comments section below, and I'll make some more of them. You know, I'll get in touch with some more dealerships, and we'll take it from there. But with that being said, thank you guys. Thank you BMW North Scottsdale for letting me have the car for a few hours. And y'all have a great day. Peace.